affordable divorce services in Palmdale. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're looking for affordable divorce services in Palmdale, you don't have to sacrifice quality to save money. Many people think hiring an attorney is the only option, but in most cases, especially when your divorce is amicable, you can get the same results at a fraction of the cost by working with our flat fee divorce service. Here's how it works. We handle everything from filing your case at the Antelope Valley Courthouse, serving your spouse, preparing all disclosures, drafting your settlement agreement, and submitting your final judgment for court approval. Because we specialize only in divorce paperwork, we do it faster, more accurately, and much more affordably than a traditional attorney. For example, we recently worked with a Palmdale couple who were quoted thousands of dollars by attorneys just to get started. Instead, they hired Divorce 661, and for one flat fee, we managed their entire divorce from start to finish. Their case was approved in weeks, not months, saving them both time and thousands of dollars. At Divorce661.com, we're here to make divorce in Palmdale simple, affordable, and stress-free. Schedule your free consultation today and see how we can help you move forward without breaking the bank.